favorite
It's
part?
gonna be something.
Welcome to Walmart, where the local time is
Something that
11:59.
I never get to
So you're ready to go, but please remain seated with your
not
seatbelt
like
fastened
that
until your cab has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening overhead bins as items may have shifted during flight. For those guests requiring special assistance such as a wheelchair, please maintain.
No, you can have it. I'll buy a new one.
It is 1:59, guys.
It is not 1:59. It's yes, 12:59.
Those guests requiring special assistance such as a wheelchair, please remain seated until the end of the deplaning process. This will allow us to best assist you. We invite you to visit spirit.com/free spirit to sign up and learn more about the new Free Spirit Loyalty Program. You can start earning points on today's flight. The new Free Spirit makes it easier for everyone to enjoy rewards regardless of how frequently they travel. Thanks again for choosing Spirit Airlines. We love having you on board and we hope to welcome you back soon.